Jesus of time, ancient of days, the beginning and the end.
I guess it's not already said.
No.
How are you?
Pastor Richie, how are you? You guys are here already. Okay, have a seat. I know you must be wondering why I called you people. Do you know why I called you guys?
No, sir.
I was praying last night when God told me about
What do we hear of this?
God said we should go ye into the world and win souls, bring people to his kingdom, not adding to the kingdom of darkness. I want us to liberate the world. Like, you know the mandate of Queen Chappelle. Now the hour has come to liberate the world from all oppressions of the devil through the preaching of the word of faith. For I'm sending you people to overtake this task.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
I've helped a lot of young people. I've helped a lot of young boys. I tried calling them like why I called you people now. But right now, you know what the mistake I did? Is to pray for them to be rich. They're all over the world now in China, Kuwait, doing all sorts of businesses. But me, I don't want to make you people rich.
Pastor, why did you say so? No. You're supposed to bless us with riches.
No! Don't you hear the part of the Bible that says, seek ye first the kingdom of God and every other thing will be added unto you? What?
The kingdom of God is going well with the riches.
What is wrong with this man? It's not everything that is money these days. And besides, the youth of nowadays, if you bless them with money, they will just start doing all sorts of rubbish. The devil will come into them. Let's get up so that we can pray. Let's pray. Speak in tongues. Excuse me, bro. Excuse me. Do you know the power that God wants to bless you with?
No, sir.
God wants to bless you with the power of speaking in tongues. You can even interpret how
Will
to speak
you
in
keep
tongues.
quiet?
You will heal the sick. You will raise the dead. So now you should be happy. Let's speak in tongues so that God will bless you. Excuse me. Hey, God just told me something. That you can speak in tongues, even interpret tongues. What's the meaning of that tongue you just speak now?
The meaning of that tongue that I just speak now says that Angel Michael should give you a big slap.
You don't collect. I don't give you.
Jesus.
I think
Jesus
he reached the time to give us riches. He said na salvation he won't give us.
Salvation will kill you there.
Men salvation, Angel Michael give you.
Jesus. Jesus. This is what people are doing to me.
We wash car.
No GCSE, no A-level. You will end up in McDonald's.
Yeah, come and slap me. Say the only thing.
You will end up in McDonald's. That's what I like.
This is what God is doing to me.